Solve the system by elimination. What I have here is everything's lined up perfectly. The x's, the y's, the equal signs, the numbers, all lined up perfectly. But what I don't have is I don't have variables that are the same but opposite, the same coefficients but opposite. In fact, not even close. So what I'm going to do is there's no way I could just multiply one line up here to get this line down here unless I want to use fractions, which I don't want to do. What I'm going to do is, since I already have 2x and 5y, I'm going to multiply this top row by 5 and this bottom row by 2. What's going to happen by doing that is x becomes 10x and x becomes negative 10x, and then I can add the rows and everything will be just fine. So this becomes 10x plus, multiply 5 to everything, 40y equals 30. The bottom row becomes negative 10x minus 40y equals negative 30. So I guess what I'll do is I'll add the rows. You cancel out. You cancel out. You cancel out. 0 equals 0. What does that mean? I know what that means. That's infinite solutions. When your variables disappear and you're left with a true statement like 0 equals 0, that's infinite solutions. If my variables were to disappear and I had something like 3 equals 5, that's a no solution. But this one was a whole lot nicer because that's my answer. Well, how nice.